Hi there, what I have today is the old ERA Invincible, and it is a 5 gauge tool I'll be using, and I will be picking it lever side. So we'll just go through the levers, looking for levers that are binding. Got a little movement out of 3. And we have fell into a full set. So we'll go back through. Lever 4. Got a nice click out of that. I think we've got 5 in gate as well. 4, 3 is loose, 2, lighten up a little bit. I think we've just dropped something there. So 4's in gate, 5's in gate, 3 feels in gate, 2 might be set a little bit high. Just give that a little shake to drop that 2 back down, and then go check up all the other levers. Everything seems like it's set apart from 1. So 1's in gate, 2's in gate, 3's in gate, 4, 5. There you go. And where is that screwdriver? We'll take a look inside. They are fun locks to pick. They are really fun. It's nice knowing when they're in gate. You got to know the feel for it, opposed to when it's in a false gate. So lever 1. We do have spaces in this lock. Lever 2. Three. 4. Spacer, and lever 5, and another spacer. So there you have it, the ERA Invincible, the old type. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks, bye for now.